Hello everybody. Yesterday I attempt to repair this mold here. Maybe you have seen my last video from yesterday. And yeah, it's all done. I had my mold release on it, and now I want to make the first casting with my fixed mold. I have two blanks prepared. This is a Zen model, Zen kit, and this here is stabilized grapevine. I have a little bit here and here, and playing around with this stuff. And yeah, this is the first one. I will mix a little bit shredded euro stuff, and a little bit resin. And this one here is yeah, I have many ideas in my mind and playing around with, and these on the end, these are leftovers from my castings. Maybe you can see it, the colors. And this here is made with my this technique I showed in one of my last videos, with the carb putty and a little bit aluminum foil, a little bit textured, and yeah. Now let's start to do this. Okay, I have to mix up my resin. First I need clear resin for this blank, and when it's filled, yeah, you will see. I use, like I said before many times, only epoxy resin. I would like to try or to use Alumilite, but it's too expensive here in Germany. It makes no sense to buy a product that is so expensive that my blanks become expensive too, and I can't sell it. But when I see the finished products, the finished pens, I think there is no need to use Alumilite. But I would like to try to. Okay. You see here many air bubbles, tiny air bubbles. It's not a problem, because I put these molds into my pressure pot, and I fill the mold with my resin right now, and this epoxy had an open time about 40 minutes, and I give the resin a little bit time before I put it in the pressure pot, that all the air bubbles comes up, and yeah, this is the good thing by using epoxy. They have much more time to make the casting, because of the much longer curing time. And yeah, good. this is done. So a little bit zooming in. Okay, now I need a little bit resin with my Euro stuff. I like this shredded Euro. Yeah. So I need some much, just a little bit. That's okay. That is enough. And here is, it's a good thing to have more time, to have more open time, because yeah, the resin have much more time to soak in these paper. I don't know exactly. It's I think, or I mean, it's not only paper. This money paper. There's a lot more stuff in it, and the fabrics, I think. And yeah, the resin needs a little bit time to soak in. And yeah, okay, so now I make something of this stuff here right in the middle. Like I said, I don't need so much of it. A little bit more. This is a little bit here. No. Don't know what it was. It's a little bit hard. Okay. That should be enough. Okay. Now comes the tube. And now you can see why I first did these Euro stuff in it, because it push it a little bit down and press a little bit the air out. So now the blacks. Oops, damn, stupid. No. I have enough resin to fill it again. Next time I'll make this one first, and after that this. Yeah, that's life. Okay, so now I think about the mainly color should be white, I think, with a little bit pearlax in it. The macro pearls. And where is my white? Here it is. So white. And a little bit more. Okay, that is enough. And I have here a little bit clear resin, and I think what fits good to white, black, red, blue, I think we should take a little bit. Bronze. Not bad. I like this one. This is this stuff here. Okay. Yeah, I think it's good. It's looks a little bit. It's a little bit in the color of the wood. So we have now this antique bronze and pearly white. And we have damn. So, okay, it should work. Okay. So let's start it. A little bit white. And a little bit of this. And that's it. Now, like I said, I have to wait a little bit. the air bubbles, like you see here. Maybe it's much more clearer than I put it in. It takes a few minutes, and after maybe 10-15 minutes I put this into my pressure pot, and tomorrow I will demold these blanks, and we will see what's happened tomorrow. So, ladies and gentlemen, here are the blanks with my, or still in my fixed mold. And now let us see how it works. Yeah, nice. And you see maybe my attempt to repair this mold was successful. Damn word. Successful. So, right here, yeah, it's all complete. The hole is still closed, both. I'm very satisfied, and yeah, look at the blanks. And now you can see colors of these pieces of leftovers. And this one here is with the grapevine, a little bit shredded euro, and this white and what was it? Sorry, bronze. Sorry. I'm getting old. Okay. Yeah, finally I have to say my repair was good, and all is fine, and it works, and I'm happy now. Many thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.